there are 5 boys and 3 girls be seated in a row so that no 2 girls will sit together. তার মানে সাপোজ 1 2 3 4 5 বয়েজ এই 5 সিটে বসিয়ে দাও, ঠিক আছে? 5 বয়েজ seated in a 5 chairs, and in between 5 boys, that is 4 places, and at the ends, that is in these 6 places, we arrange to seat the 3 girls. Then the 2 girls, no 2 girls will sit together. মানে তার মানে গার্লসের জন্য প্লেস হইল কটা? There are 6 places for the girls to be seated, of which no 2 girls will sit together. তার কি লিখব? 2 girls will not sit together. 2 girls will not sit together if 3 girls are to be seated in 4 seats between 5 boys and if 3 girls are to be seated in 4 seats between 5 boys and 2 seats at the 2 ends, that is in total 6 seats. Right now, 2 girls will not sit together if 3 girls are to be seated in 4 seats between 5 points and 2 seats at the 2 ends, that is in total 6 seats. So the girls can sit in 6p3 ways. So the girls can sit in 6p3 ways. Now, in each arrangement, প্রত্যেকটা অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টে, তাই না? each arrangement, the 5 boys may be seated among themselves in the 5 seats. 5 boys may be seated among themselves on the 5 seats. 5 boys may be seated on 5 seats in 5p5 ways. Therefore, the number of ways in which they may be seated is equal to 6p3 into 5p5, that is factorial 6 by factorial 3 into factorial 5 by factorial 2, তার মানে 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 factorial, তাই না? তার মানে কত আসছে? কেমন আসছে দেখ 6 5 ইন্টু 4 ইন্টু 3 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল কেমন হচ্ছে 120 ইন্টু 120 তাহলে 120 ইন্টু 120 দ্যাট মিন্স 14,400 ঠিক আছে তাহলে কি দেওয়া হলো the total number of point of which they may be seated 6p3 into 5p5 that is 120 into 120 কত হলো 14,400 ওয়েস এখানে তুই ফ্যাক্টরিয়াল 0 না করলেও হবে 5p5 ডাইরেক্ট ফ্যাক্টরিয়াল 5 লিখলেও হবে ঠিক আছে